Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by verifying there's a restore point ready. Open Control Panel, type Recovery, then choose Open System Restore. Once done, save any work because the process reboots Windows. Make sure to plug a laptop into power and disconnect external drives you don't need. This minimizes failure risks and speeds the operation. You're now ready to pick a restore point and begin. Proceed to the next slide to select and apply the point carefully. You now choose the best restore point. Select a date and time before the problem began. Once selected, click Next and use Scan for affected programs to view changes to apps and drivers. This explains what will be removed or restored. If the list looks acceptable, confirm the restore. The system schedules the operation, then restarts Windows and applies the changes. Stay patient as this can take several minutes. After restart, Windows reports whether the restore succeeded. After the restore completes, you should test core functions and reinstall any programs the scan removed. If Windows reports failure, don't panic. Restart into safe mode and retry System Restore from recovery options because drivers or services often block normal restores. Make sure restore points aren't disabled. Enable system protection if necessary. If points are corrupted or missing, fall back to a manual backup or reset this PC. This sequence gives you a clear path to recover without losing more data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.